All animals, including humans, have different dietary needs. These have been determined over a long period of evolution and are directly linked to an animal's feeding behaviours and digestive processes. There are three major categories of diet: the carnivore, herbivore and omnivore. These terms are based on the Latin word vorare, meaning to devour. Carnivores eat meat-based diets. Herbivores eat plant-based diets. And omnivores eat a combination of meat and plant-based foods. Cats are carnivores, cows are herbivores, and humans are omnivores. Animals are also categorised as polyphagous, monophagous, or oligophagous. Phagous comes from the Greek word to eat. Polyphagous animals can eat a variety of food types. Humans are polyphagous. Monophagous animals can eat only one food type, usually from the same species or genus. Koalas, for instance, are monophagous, only eating eucalypt leaves. Oligophagous animals can eat a few different food types, but range is usually very narrow. Many insects are oligophagous. These terms are not mutually exclusive though. A koala is a monophagous herbivore. Many caterpillars are polyphagous herbivores. A human is a polyphagous omnivore. Many beetles in the genus Cyprus are generally oliphagous carnivores. It's important to note that most animals have a primary diet, but will eat other food types according to availability. When the diet is mostly a particular food type, the main type may be used for the classification. For example, a bird that eats mostly fruit is referred to as frugivorous, or primarily frugivorous, even though it may also eat a snake or a lizard if available. There are several types of diet within the major categories. For carnivores, this includes obligate carnivores, avivores, picivores and insectivores. For herbivores, these include frugivores and folivores. Some organisms also eat bacteria. We say these organisms are bactivorous. There are several types of carnivore. One of the most important classifications in this group are the obligate carnivores. Sometimes called true carnivores, these animals must have meat. They need meat for survival. Cats and other felids are obligate carnivores. Other known carnivores, like dogs, should eat a meat-based diet, but can survive on a plant-based one. This is not true for cats. Other carnivores include seals, sea lions, birds of prey, and octopuses. Avivores fall into the carnivore group too. Their diet is bird-based. They eat birds. Most avivores are specialised predators, though the definition sometimes expanded to include any animal that eats birds as part of their diet. Avivores include birds of prey like falcons and hawks. They also include leopard seals and some primates, servals, carcels, and others. Picivores rely on a fish-based diet. This includes many fish, water birds such as penguins, but also mammals such as seals and dolphins. Picivores are sometimes referred to as ichthyophagus animals. This comes from the Greek word for fish, which is ichthy. Picivores have a significant effect on the environment and food supply chains. The adaptations required for a fish-based diet are also the basis of an insect-based diet. Insectivores are another specialised group of carnivores, ones that eat insects. There are many insectivores, including frogs, lizards, some types of birds, meerkats, echidnas, and spiders. This group also includes some mammals, such as the AA. Insectivores are an important part of food webs. There are three significant types of herbivore: the frugivores, the folivores, and the graminivores. Frugivores are fruit dependent. This group includes fruit bats, flying foxes, some birds, and even some fish. The grey-bellied night monkey, sometimes known as the owl monkey, is also a frugivore. Frugivores play an important role in seed dispersal, which is important to maintaining many ecosystems. Folivores are leaf eaters, which includes several mammals such as elephants, sloths, and possums. Some monkeys are also folivores. Many folivores are insects, which have an agricultural significance in terms of both crop pollination and crop damage. These include caterpillars, beetles, and leaf miners. It's important to understand that folivores are specifically leaf eaters. Grass eaters or grazers are a different group, known as granivores. Many agriculturally significant animals such as cows and sheep are granivores. Some organisms eat a bacteria-based diet. This group is said to be bactivorous. Examples include several worms and fungi.